What's going on, you guys? Alex here with Elevation Off-Grid. We are here with our friends from Australia, from EC Offroad, and today we are at Top of the World.
Is he how to drive?
Oh, you're not driving, I'm driving.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey, you've already had a drive, Finch.
Hey!
Finch, you already had a drive.
Captain, say hey. Skills, recognise them. It's keen for me to keep the fort going.
There you go. Now cut it. How much? Like nothing.
Just stand next to that rock, just for perspective. He just went up half a tail.
Can you fix that car, you bro?
Right.
There you go. Come on ahead. Go. Go ahead.
What are we going to do here?
Well, not that much.
Not that much.
There you go.
Right there.
Yep. Now bring it.
Yep. Keep walking. Keep coming. There you go.
Okay, there you go.
Go.
right, so I have my buddy Kale here from EC Off-Road. Kale, what exactly do you guys do at EC Off-Road in Australia?
Easy off-road, mate. Well, we build trucks, a lot of touring vehicles, but just obviously American vehicles aren't quite as big as here, clearly in Australia, but we build a lot of them. We're probably one of the biggest in Australia, fitting out these trucks. Yeah, LiquidSpring is fairly new to us, last sort of 6 months, but that's pumping. We know how good that product is. And yeah, we do full touring builds, a lot of tray canopy stuff, a lot of electrical, similar to what you guys do, yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, it's really exciting to see LiquidSpring spreading literally all over the world. And now you guys get to take advantage of that too.
You guys are crazy.
That is wild.
I don't even think it would hurt.
Yeah, bro, I opened the door and I like...
A little nervous? Oh my God.
It's only a scratch on the front bar.
Oh, it's not that bad. Oh. There's a whole world down there.
It was a hell of a ride.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we have arrived in Flagstaff for Overland Expo West. Moab was an absolute blast. Had a great day of wheeling with our Australian friends, Kale, Finch, Mark from EC Off-Road. Got to let them check out our F550 Black Edition, see what that's all about, and the F350 Black Edition as well. I don't think another F550 has ever been on top of that trail, especially to the top. Top of the world is not an easy trail. It's a Jeep Badge of Honor trail. A lot of people think the F550 is just not an off-road vehicle. The way we build them, they crawl over anything you throw at it, handle any obstacle. It's an absolutely incredible experience to drive one of these things on trail and on the road too. So we're going to be in Flagstaff for the full weekend. Overland Expo West, come check us out. Booth L27 and L29. We got the full lineup of trucks. We have a F550 Black Edition Ultimate chassis cab. That's the 43-inch tires and a 4-inch LiquidSpring lift. We have our F550 Limitless Edition. That's a standard ride height dually configuration. We have an F550 Black Edition. Iconic silver 41-inch tires, LiquidSpring. And we have our two War Dogs. We have an F550 Black Edition, our blue truck, and our F350 Black Edition. These are fresh off the trail, beat up, scuffed up, scratched up, pinstripes, just showing you what they look like when you actually use them and get after it. So come check us out. Excited to see everybody there. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. We'll see you on the next one.